Performance testing AI in hospitals isn't just about accuracy scores, it's about trust. And trust starts with one thing: reliable annotations. Without them, you risk comparing AI to the wrong benchmark, you risk misleading results, and worst of all, you risk decisions that don't reflect real clinical care. Hi, I'm Shuaib, medical physicist and CEO at Newton's Tree. And in this video, I'm going to lay out how to annotate your data to create reliable AI evaluation results. So here's a framework to get it right. Step 1, define your use case. Be specific. What exactly is the AI designed to do? Who's going to use it and when in the workflow? It might be a radiologist reviewing chest x-rays, or a pathologist grading a polyp, a clinician checking an AI-generated consultation summary, or a ward team using a readmission risk score. Step 2, choose your reference standard. This is the ground truth, the benchmark that AI is measured against, and it must fit the task. Ask yourself, does it match the decision that the AI supports? Will it be available at the same time the AI is used or only later? Does it align with what the end user actually sees? And can it realistically be collected? For example, you could use a consensus panel for image interpretation, or you could use pathology for tissue diagnosis, which is highly specific but often delayed. Use MDT outcomes for complex staging, or you could use longitudinal follow-up for predictions like readmission or mortality. And for scribes, you could review transcripts, check factual completeness, and flag omissions or hallucinations. And sometimes you'll need two standards. For example, in breast cancer screening, you could use the radiologist report for real-time reading and biopsy pathology for diagnostic accuracy. Reporting both helps give the full picture. Step 3, data handling and governance. Keep it de-identified. Strip your data of personal identifiers, use only what's necessary, and make sure access is secure and controlled. Step 4, define your labels and train your annotators. Labels must be clinically meaningful. For imaging, you can have absent, small, large pneumothorax with an indeterminate option. For scribes, define diagnosis, medications, allergies, and follow-ups. Flag omissions and hallucinations. For predictions, you need to define outcomes precisely. Does a planned readmission count? Your annotators will need structured training, calibration sessions, instruction sheets, data dictionaries. Consistency is everything here. Step 5, assign readers and manage disagreements. Make sure you're using the right expertise. So radiologists for imaging, pathologists for pathology, and clinicians for clinical documentation. And always try to use multiple annotators, ideally 2 or 3 per case, and then expect to have disagreements. Handle them with consensus or adjudication, and always document the final decision. Before scaling up, pilot with 20 or 30 cases and use this to refine your definitions, instructions, and your training. Step 6, quality checks, monitoring, and reporting. Double reader sample, calculate agreement scores, track indeterminate cases. Just make sure you keep an audit trail of who did what and when. And when you publish results, be transparent. State your reference standards, report limitations, and share your agreement metrics. And watch out for pitfalls. Don't pick a reference standard that doesn't fit the workflow, don't skip protocols, or leave labels ambiguous. Don't rely on a single annotator, and never hide dataset limitations. So, to summarize, make sure you define the use case, pick the right reference standard, secure your data, design clear labels and train your annotators, use multiple readers with adjudication, monitor quality, and report transparently. That's how you build reliable annotations, and that's how you make AI evaluation trustworthy in hospitals. If this video helped, please like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. And if your hospital is ready to start testing AI, Newton's Tree works with health systems to deploy AI safely, effectively, and sustainably. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.